He is. I know him from many years ago. I used to watch him all over.
No, I believe him. That's why I said I believe him. No bullshit.
Wow,
When people have that energy, they have that energy. It's either believable or it's not.
Yep. You might be the next one because you're right next to him.
I could be one day.
No,
We seem to get along. Mike does the track light.
We get along.
We get along.
That's great. Well, if you need any light up equipment, just come see me in the corner.
Where are you?
Right on the corner.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I saw you over there. You gave me a peace mark. We brought
Okay.
the chocolate. Yeah, there's cups right there.
You guys have a coffee pot or something? You guys have a coffee pot? You want to plug it in? You're more than welcome to do that.
All right, let's do this shit.
We're not set up yet with the Roxy apparently. We just talked.
Well, I think this was their way of trying to get us to take out 10 stores. I want to have a full-blown snowball fight tomorrow. I'm down for that.
How you doing, man?
Having a snowball fight tomorrow, build a snowman.
Hey, good.
Oh, this shit's fucking...
All right, can we get this talk going?